Ma'am, tanong lang po sana namin, ano po yung inaasahan natin na kalalabasan po nitong apat na kaso mula po last year, December, at hanggang sa ngayon? Ano po yung inaasahan natin na kalalabasan ng apat na kaso na ito pong kinaso sa mga sinabi yung pangalan po nila?
Preventive suspension para sa kanila.
Ano po yung update ng mga naunang kaso? Meron na po ba update?
Yung update, yun, nagbigay na ng, na-receive ko yung order from the ombudsman for them to give their counter affidavit. Actually, nauna pa nga yung counter affidavit nila, yun ang send sa akin before the order. So, which means, na-receive na nila yung order before ko na-receive. But, yun yung update. They already replied. They gave their counter affidavit.
Okay. Sa apat po na kaso na ito po ikinaso ng pamamagilan, meron pa po ba tayong iniisip o meron pinaghahandaan na another case, if ever?
Well, may iba, pero pag-aralan muna natin. Pag-aralan natin. Parang ito, actually, it's very time-consuming, no? To get all the research from COA, from DPWH, from the Bids and Awards Committee. So, actually, nakaka-stress. But after that, pag nasubmit ko na sa ombudsman, and then I can go back again to other things that we have to do for the government.
Yes po. Ma'am, tanong ko lang din po, hindi naman po sa no offense man, pero marami kasi nagsasabi, I think this is already a political motivated case. Hindi po ba gano'n? Ano po ba yan?
Ano ba interest ko? Tatakbo ba akong mayor? Hindi po. If this is politically motivated, hindi naman siguro ako magkakaso ng ganito. Because these cases, siyempre mayor kasi siya yung command responsibility. Wala naman, sinong ipakaso ko na iba? Kung hindi, si mayor, kasi siya naman talaga ang very vocal siya noon na i-download din niya yung mga project na yan, na mga amounts. And then, kaya natin yan gawin. Better than DPWH. So, you have to prove it, di ba? But right now, I'm not happy. I'm not happy with what's going on. So, if I'm not happy, hindi rin kayo happy. Kasi, kailan pa natin magagamit yung mga building na yan? Athletic Bowl, right now, you cannot even enter. Kawawa yung mga tumatakbo doon. It's also dusty. Kailan pa to? Ilang years na. We are being deprived of using this. You go to Wright Park. Ang gulo-gulo, no? May building, dalawang building nakatiwangwang, yung isa hinuhukay, naka-fence pa. I mean, dapat nagagamit na sana, no? 2023, December, dapat natapos na mga yan. Pero ano nangyayari? Uulan na, ano namang mangyayari?
Do you have any message po?
Anyway, sorry, nagiging very emotional po kasi ako dito. Dahil, siyempre, we are also technical, we're an architect, and these are projects that should have been finished na...
I understand that. Ma'am, maybe know also if you have any message sa ating pong mga official or yes, the executive itself.
Just do your job and follow the protocols, follow the procedures. Huwag mo palaging nagmamadali, huwag palaging fast track. No, waste of time yun eh. Pag fast track tayo ng fast track, ayan, nangyayari. Mga projects na nakatiwangwang, gano'n na lang ba? As an architect and a planner, planning is very important. No? Dapat preparation, like Athletic Bowl, no? Yung budget, wala pa. Binid out na. Hindi pa natin hawak yung budget, naka-bid out na. So, ano nangyari? Kawawa yung contractor. At the same way, na Wright Park, inaward mo sa contractor na hindi pala niya kaya eh. These things, in the first place, bakit sa kanila na-award? Even, I think, with choosing the proper or the right contractor for this, tingnan natin yung capacity nila. And we better make sure na talagang nandyan yung budget. Kasi yung budget appropriated nga, pero hindi pa naman, wala pa naman eh. So, syempre, masasacrifice yung project kung hindi nila hawak yung pera.
Kailangan. The battle cry said, Bisyong Yaranon kontra corruption.
Yes. Well, that had always been the battle cry of my parents, my dad. Yung dati is coalition contra corruption, and yeah.
So you is
mag-isa pa ako eh. Yeah, mag-isa pa ako eh. So maybe later on pag may mga kasama tayo. But right now it's Yaranon contra corruption.